name is Tenisia and I'm Tongan language. And for those people who don't know what is the Tongan language, I have a little help here with this globe. Tongan is very small, but very significant, I think. So if it's the whole world, there's New Zealand down there, Australia, we're right in the middle there. And for those who don't know, Tonga is right on the Dateline Hotel, the Dateline line. So this is Tonga, where time begins. Anyway, this is going to be my very first lesson for anyone who wants to start Tongan language. I'm going to be mainly speaking in English, like now, but we will go on to deeper into Tongan language when we are getting better. And then from Tongan language we could explore everything. So I call this a whole comparative language lesson. So through Tongans we could learn Japanese, German, French, Italian, anything. So as you see, my whole program is Polybollylatin, Polynesian, Bollywood. That's actually started with my dancing lessons or dancing fun, and Latin. So anything Latin dance or anything that comes from Latin roots. So you have all your Romance language or your Germanistic language or whatever it is. But we're going to start from this little point there. For those here who are not interested, it's very like right in the middle of the Pacific Ocean there in the middle, whatever it is. We fly from New Zealand, almost 3 hours from New Zealand, where we are now in Christchurch, to Tonga. Tonga has got a Polynesian language, it's Tongan. Once you know Tongan, you could understand Maori, or any Polynesian derived sort of language, Samoan, Tahitian, Hawaiian, Rarotongan, whatever it is. So actually this is lesson 1, so I shouldn't really talk too much because I'm going to start with the alphabet, ABC of Tongan. So we will just have a little, sorry for my little stick, it looks like I'm teaching, but we're just going through. I'm going to have people helping me with throughout, so we can go to other languages and we see how the difference is. That's why this is called a comparative sort of language lesson or something like that. So Tongan alphabet is not as many as this, A, B, C to Z, like in English. So what I want to say, it's A. Yes, we have A. We don't have B. We don't have C. Cameraman, can you put this further? We don't have D. We have E. We have F. No G. We have H. I. Yes. No J. K. Yes. Lots of K. Lots of L, M, N. O. Yes. P. Q. No Q for those. No R, no, oh, lots of S, T, U, V, no W, sorry, no X, no Y, no Z. Very easy. I hope you can see that. So, all the Tongan language alphabet we need to know is really that. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, it's only 15. So 15. So 15 is really that. Plus, I think they do the whakaoa. That's when you have a little so a glottal stop there and a little sign, all those macron. We'll do it later, but it's important for us to do the ABC like this. So we've already counted, no? 1, so only 15. So we don't need B, C, G, D, P. So, and this is how to pronounce. This is really, say the 15 the main ones here. You just have to say, if you know your so it's mostly So we'll start like of course the vowels E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U. For those who know vowel, the 5 vowels, they're still there. If it's no vowels, then you always do it with That's how we spell a name. So a, e, fa. Remember I said a.